studying 7th class in Narayana Concept School. I am from Maker Lab, Nellore. I completed my foundation level and I done my projects. First project is electric cart. How it will work, I will show. For electric cart, the components used for battery, one power supply board, one push button, 2 motors, 2 wheels. My second project is washing machine. When I use the battery for washing machine, for checking LED lights will glow. When I on the push button, water will rotate and wash the clothes. The required things for the washing machines are one battery, one push button, one power supply board, one LED, one motor.